to our YouTube channel, Sofe Group official YouTube channel. Like you know, these are on our channel. We give you crypto update from our crypto hub. We give a promotional update from social media and our business update from our business hub. You're welcome once again. Today we'll be sharing with us on how to buy and sell from centralized exchanges. Before now, we sent a video on how to buy and sell from decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap and JuiceSwap. And today we'll be sharing with us on how to buy and sell crypto from centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io. Now there is a little differences between how to buy and sell. The differences is basically in the orders, okay? Basically in the orders. Now once you will be using Binance for example, so once you have registered your Binance, if you are yet to register for Binance, Binance is the biggest exchange in the world, is the biggest exchange in the world. If you are yet to register for your Binance KuCoinGate.io, follow the link in the description below and sign up immediately. Okay, now once you've signed up, you verified your account, you are good to go. You are good to go to start trading. Now, don't deposit funds without Binance, without being verified on any of these exchanges. Okay, so we are good to go. Now, the first thing you need to do after creating the account you want to buy and sell, now you can follow our video on how to buy and sell on Binance P2P. You can directly follow this link here and click and go straight to P2P, or you can come to your wallet. You can come to your wallet and click on funding. You can come and click on funding wallet. Once you click on funding wallet, it takes you to this page. Then you can go ahead to click on P2P. Once you click on P2P, then you follow our video on how to buy and sell on Binance P2P. Now, before now, for especially those who are in Nigeria where cryptocurrency has been banned, if you want to deposit, you can no longer deposit using your debit card on Binance, but you can do that using the P2P. Whichever country you are, you can do that using the P2P. So go straight up and follow our video on how to buy and sell on Binance P2P. So once you do that, you can buy USDT or any other cryptocurrency you want to buy, but most convenient, you can get USDT because it's a stable coin and the price is fixed. And once you are done funding your wallet on Binance P2P, the tokens you buy are going to reflect here. They are going to reflect once you fund your wallet, the tokens are going to reflect here. Whether you bought AVE, ACA, ACM, and so on, they are going to reflect here. Now, for you to be able to trade them, you need to transfer them. So you go straight up and transfer them. Okay, you go straight up and transfer them. You click on transfer. This transfer. Once you click on transfer, you select the coin you want to transfer. Let's say USDT. Select the coin you want to transfer, indicate the amount you want to transfer, and you confirm the transfer. Now, once you're done with that, the tokens are going to appear on um, your spot wallet. Okay, the tokens are going to appear on your spot wallet, and once it has appeared on your spot wallet, you are good to go. Now I'm going to teach us how to buy and sell on spot. Okay, basically for spot trading. So what you do next is, once you have funded your account with probably USDT, then you can go to the market. Coins are really coming up. You can go to the market. You can go to the market and select the coin you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy XRP. If I want to buy XRP, I can come here and search for XRP. Now I can see that XRP is being paired with USDT, is being paired with BUSD, is being paired with TUSD, USDC, Euro, Ruby, TRY, BNB, BTC, and so on. Now I'm going to select the pair that I have to buy. Okay, since I funded my account with USDT, I'll go ahead to select XRP slash USDT. Okay, now once you select the pair that you have, I've selected XRP against USDT. Okay, now I can, once I click on it, I can see the chart. So I can use the chart to carry out my analysis and decide on when to buy or when to sell. Okay, I can go ahead and click on the button here. I can click on this button below. You can see the link for buy and sell. You can see them here, buy and sell. So whichever one I want to select, I go ahead and click on buy. Now when I want to buy, you can see there are different types of orders here. We have the OCO, the stop limit, and the market and the limit orders. Now check out our video on the different types of orders. We're going to be doing a video on the different type of orders, so follow that video and learn how to buy and sell on Binance using limit order, market order, stop limit, and OCO orders. Okay, now simply to buy and sell, let's use the limit order. I just want to go ahead and buy, okay, at the current market price. Now once I select the market order, I'm going to buy directly from the first available person that wants to sell. Okay, that's the person with the highest price. We're talking about this person here, the first available person that has coins to sell, or that has placed an order to sell at the highest price. So I can go ahead and indicate the number of XRP I want to buy, maybe 1000 XRP. I can click on total. It's going to tell me the equivalent in USDT. Or I can just go ahead and click on total and put the amount I want to buy in USDT. If I want to buy $50 worth of XRP, it's going to give me 52 units of XRP. Okay, so I can go ahead and click on buy. Immediately I click on buy, you can see insufficient fund. Immediately I click on buy using the market order, is going to purchase the tokens immediately and is going to appear here. I'll now be seeing my available balance in XRP. I can also go down to the wallet here. If I click on the wallet, it's going to show me all I need to know about all the coins I've purchased. As you can see, the tokens you've purchased is going to appear here. Now this trade, like I said, is spot. What you're trading here is spot. They have different, is different from margin, is different from features, and so on. Okay, so how to sell, and we'll go back to trade. Remember how I'm navigating all this. This is the wallet, this is features, this is the tab for your features trading. Now in this trade, you can see every other thing here, like on trade. Like I just click on trade to take me to the last um currency pair that I was analyzing. Okay, this second one here is the market. It shows us the total number of coins that have been listed on Binance, and you can search for them and find them. Then home page is just an overview of the Binance exchange. Okay, so as you can see here, even on the market, I can still switch between margin, fiat, P2P, and so on. Okay, so if I want to sell the same thing, and let's assume I have a particular amount of XRP here, I want to sell, I'll just go ahead. Here on Binance, you can actually use the percentage here. Maybe I just want to sell just 25%. I'll just click on 25% and I will just sell just 25% of my portfolio. I can click on 50, 75, or 100. That's all of them. Okay, so once I input the you're still using, remember we are still on market order. Now, when it comes to total, I can put the amount of USDT I want to sell, probably $60, and click on sell. Okay, so I click on sell, it will sell immediately and appear on my USDT wallet. Now, if for example I bought XRP and I want to sell directly to BNB, there is no need of me proceeding with the transaction on this currency pair. I'll just go ahead and click this place, okay, to convert. Come here and still search for XRP. Search for XRP, I'll see other different pairs. Probably I want to convert it to BTC. Okay, so now I'm on the XRP BTC pair. Remember, we've purchased XRP, so I can go ahead. This is my XRP, and I want to sell. Now, once I'm selling, it's going to directly reflect on my BTC wallet because I choose XRP BTC. So whenever I choose XRP BTC, if I'm selling my, that means I'm using BTC to buy XRP. If I'm selling my XRP, it's going to give me BTC. So let's understand the difference. Whichever currency pairs you choose, it means that that's what you want to swap in between. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the subscription button and turn on all the notification. Now, if there's any other video you want us to still share, you can still drop that on the comment section below. If you want a private class, you can still chat us up on the comment section below. We are going to respond to you. Now, let us know of those cryptocurrencies that you're holding. What are your top? What is the coin that's giving you massive profit in 2021? Let us know on the comment section below. And if there are other videos you want us to still throw more light on, let us know on the comment section below. See you guys next time. Hello guys, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be sharing with us on the different types of orders on centralized exchanges. Now these different type of orders, they differ in several exchanges. Some have some kind of order, some don't have a particular kind of order, but we are going to be giving us a reference with at least we are going to make a reference to Binance Exchange, okay, the types of orders on Binance Exchange, and which is also applicable to other exchanges. Okay, so if you are yet to register for Binance or KuCoin or Gate.io or Hotbit, follow the details on the description below and sign up immediately. Now, once you signed up, don't forget to verify your account first before funding your wallet. If you are yet to know about how to fund your wallet, you can go down, scroll down, and get our videos on how to fund your wallet from P2P. Now, if you're having an issue verifying your account and you also just want to go ahead and purchase crypto, you can join our P2P group. Very secure, very fast. You can buy and sell your cryptocurrency on our P2P WhatsApp group. Now remember, you only chat up with admin to make payments so you don't lose your funds. Okay, now having said that, remember, if you have been following us, give us a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Okay, let's go straight ahead to the business of the day. Now, if you're already a trader and you're getting confused on the different types of orders on centralized exchanges, now we are going to be doing just that. Now you go straight up and you click on the market. So you click on trades. This is here. You click on trades, or you first of all click on market to select the coin you want to trade. Let's trade CHZ. Now on CHZ is, wow, looking very bullish. Looking very bullish. This level is very strong. It's surely going to go up. That's by the way. Now we are going to be looking at the different types of orders. So let's take, for example, want to buy or sell CHZ against USDT pair. we'll just go ahead and click on buy. And once we go ahead and click on buy, we have our market order, we have our limit order is the first, market order, stop limit, and OCO. Now these various orders, they are for different purposes, and the first one is the limit order. And the limit order is that you are telling the exchange to buy for you at a particular price. So you are setting your own price. Now, if you look at the current trade that is ongoing, you see that the price is currently at 0.4513. Okay, but let's say that you probably based on your technical analysis or a signal that you received, you know that it's going to drop from 0.45 to 0. Let's say 42. Okay, probably from your analysis you say it's going to drop to 0.42. Okay, if you say probably you want to buy at 0.42, there's no need to start waiting for the market. Oh, let me keep watching the market until it's going to drop to 0.42. No, you don't need to do that. If you want to buy at that particular price, same with selling, you just come here, make sure it's actually being highlighted on the limit order. Make sure it's being highlighted on the limit order. Then you come here, the first one, that's the price. You put the price that you would like to buy, that's 0.42, and you include the amount. Or that's the amount here now is the quantity of the token you want to buy. You want to buy USDT, so it might include like 5,000 USDT. It will now give you the reflection on USDT. How much is going to cost you? It's going to cost you around $2,100. But let's say you don't want to buy based on quantity of the coin. You just want to go ahead and put the amount in dollars you want to buy. You can just go ahead and say, let's say you probably want to buy $700. It will also show you the equivalent in it's going to show you the equivalent in the quantity of the coin you want to buy, which is 1666. Okay, now the same thing when you want to sell. Probably you want to sell at a very high price. Based on your analysis, you know that probably this is going to pump up to this extent before the end of the day. You can just come here and put your analysis, your sell order, that's 0.5284. We'll come here, click on sell. We come here, remember it must be highlighted on the limit. We put 5284. Once you put on 5284, what quantity of the coin you want to buy, you want to sell? Probably you want to sell 75%. You just go ahead and click on 75% straight up, or 50% or 25%, whichever one you can go, or you can decide to put the quantity or of the coin you want to buy or the amount you want to use to buy, which is $790. We'll be giving you around 1495 units of CHZ. Okay, so that's that for limit order. Remember, you are using limit order when you want to buy or sell at a particular price that is not the current price. Okay, I hope you got that. Now the next type of order is the market order. Now on the market order, you want to just buy at the current market price. Probably you got the signal that this thing is going to pump right now, or you are missing out on the pump, you are missing out, or you are being the market is dipping on you. You can just go straight up and click on market. But remember, when selling off using the market order is very, very dangerous, because you can be you would sell way lower than what the market price is, because of the way people are dumping on the market. So very, very important. Just place a limit order slightly above the current price on a pump or on a dump. Very, very important. So on the market price, like I said, you just want to buy at that particular price. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on amount. When you click on amount, then you can go ahead and put the quantity of the coin that you want to buy. Or if you don't want to click on amount, you can click on total. Total will give you the option to put in USDT the amount of money you want to use to buy. Okay, now remember that the psychology of this, or the purpose of this, is that you want to buy at the current price. Very, very important. Now, the third one is the stop limit. Okay, so now what you are telling, the stop limit is used to trigger an order. Now, let's scroll down. All these things we are seeing here are order book orders people has placed using either the limit order or the stop order or the OCO. Okay, now what you are doing now is that you are placing a trade and you are telling Binance we have a stop. This one is called the stop. The stop means that you are saying that when it gets to a particular price, I want you to place my limit order. Now remember that your limit order, because if you don't understand the technicality of limit order, you will not be able to understand either stop or OCO. Now, because your limit order, you're telling you want to buy at a price that is not the current price. Okay, so now on your stop limit, you are saying that trigger my limit order when it gets to a particular price. Now you can actually set price for all of them. Let's take for example, what is being traded is the price currently is 14.4511 0.4511 or 13. Now, and I want to buy at a cheaper price, and I know that this price is going to drop. Okay, I know that this price is going to drop. I'm looking at the chart right now. I know that this price is going to drop, and I'm saying that I'm going to place my stop here, and I'm going to place my limit order here. What am I doing? This is my limit order. This is my stop. Now what I'm telling Binance is once it gets to 4244, place for me a limit order at a much lower price, 0.3697. What it means that if it doesn't get to 4212, your order will not be on the order book. This is what I mean. Now we want to say 4212. Okay, 421. This is the limit order. This is the stop. Once you get to this point, the exchange puts your limit order on the order book. Don't forget that. You put that your limit order. Let's say you want to buy at, I want to buy at 0.39. Okay, I want to buy at 0.39. But I'm saying that don't place my order yet on the order book. Once it gets to 0.4212, place my limit order of 0.9. Okay, this order is very, very sweet, because if it doesn't get to that point, it cannot trigger your order. If it doesn't get to that point, it cannot trigger your order. But a much more sweeter order is the OCO. We are getting there. So you can just go ahead and put the amount, or you put the value in USDT. The same with the stop for the sell. Now I want to sell at a much more higher price. Now this is the reason for the stop limit. This is the reason for the stop limit. Because at certain levels there are resistance and support. At certain levels there are resistance and support and trend line and so on. Okay, let's draw. Okay, let's draw. Now as you can see, now we are going to draw some line in order to make reference to what you are saying. So we can come here, pick a horizontal line and this is actually a major let's use here. This is a resistant level to this current position, and this is actually a support level. This is support level. So the price is currently at a support level. The price is currently at a support level. Let's draw that very perfectly. So you can see that the price is currently at a support level. Now this is what we do using the stop. Let's say, for example, after making your analysis, let's just draw a mini trend line here, and get this like this. Okay, let's just draw a mini trend line here, and we know that when this market, for example, goes down, that's from here, when it breaks off and start coming down, once it breaks this support level and start coming down, it means that it might come and touch a new level altogether, which is here, it might come to touch a new level, which is here. Once it comes to touch a new level, which is here, what we do is that once it crosses that support level, this support level, you place a stop limit. Since it has crossed, let's say for example, you place your stop at that resistant level, and you are saying that once it breaks this support level, once it breaks this support level and begins to come down, it means that it might be a bearish market. So you are placing your, let's come back to this place. Now, we are saying that since this market is this way, we have done our analysis, and we are saying if this market would break this support level here, once it breaks this support level here, there's a high tendency that for it to retrace back to an upward trend, it will need to come and test this other support level, making this current support level to be a resistant level. Now, when that happens, for us not to miss out, because you might not be online when it's going to happen. So for you not to miss out, you place a stop limit just at the just below the support level. This is 40550. 4050. If it breaks this uh downward, if it breaks down to form a downward trend, place me a buy, place me a sell, sorry, at 3857. At 3857, because the market is still going to go down to touch this point, which is 2450. Okay, this one is 3890. So we go to buy. As we go to buy, our stop is what? 0.4050. Our limit order 0.3890. Okay, our limit is 3890. What it means is that once it crosses 0.4050, place for me a buy order in the order book at 0.3890. I hope you understand where you're going to. Now, I want to buy with so amount of USD. I want to buy with 500 USD. Now, sorry, this is a downward trend. Because it's going down, you make more money selling. So it's actually going to be for selling. Okay? Because you don't, that's okay, sorry, that's when you are trading futures, it will be for the sell. But since you are trading spot, you buy at low and you sell at high. Okay? But if it's going to be at the tip of a downward market, you need to sell off in order to buy low. So this should be for the sell. Okay, so let's clear this out. Exactly. And because the market will start a downward a downward trend, you need to sell off in order to buy low. So what you make use of is resistance and support levels. What you make use of is resistance and support levels. I repeat myself. What you make use of is resistance and support level and other technical analysis and so on, fundamental or technical. Okay, so you need to sell off because it's about forming a downward market. Okay, now we are going to do that for an upward trend. We'll go back to the chart. That's to buy. Now, looking at this, there is a probability that this market will go up. Okay, it's going to break off this downward trend and go up. So what we'll be looking out for, is a breakout. Now remember that apart from the breakout, we still have a resistance level here. Okay, a resistance level here. So what we are going to do is we are going to place a stop just barely above the okay, let's just arrange it very well. Okay, so we're expecting a breakout this way. Okay, since we're expecting a breakout, that's a breakout from here, then we'll put our stop just barely above the resistance level, because you know once it goes up, most times it goes up, we test that position and shoot up to a new all-time high. So we are also aware that there is another level we need to respect from here. There's another level we need to respect here. Okay, so we are expecting a breakout. expecting a breakout. That's if the market is going to go upwards. So once it breaks this downward trend market, once it start going, we also know that there is a resistant level here, and because of that resistant level, this market, if it's going to break out, would likely break out, touch that resistant level, come back. Let's draw this in well. Touch, come back, test this trend line, and shoot up to the next um shoot up to this next resistant level. It's also going to obey this next resistant level. Okay, so we can now see how to maximize our stop order in order not to miss out with trade, because all the time traders cannot be online. So you can just make your analysis and place this trade and maximize them very, very, very well. Okay, so that's that for how to place the stop, how to use the stop order on Binance. Now this is a bonus. Now remember that whether you are doing for a downward market, whether it's going to be for a downward market, which is here, remember that after your order triggers, after your sell order here triggers, remember that it's going to still respect this support level and would likely go up from here. So you need to set a buy order here. Okay, after you've sold at this point, you need to buy from here because it's still going to respect this level to bounce back up. The same thing here, depending on the intensity of the bullish market, is still going to respect this resistant level and possibly come back to retest this before it goes higher. Okay, before it goes higher, this is what we need to understand. That's a bonus from me. Okay, let's go back. Let's look at the OCO order. Now, the OCO order is used not to miss out of a trade when you make a wrong call. Okay, once you make a wrong call, how not to miss out on a trade. So we now have two limits order. Okay, we have two limit order. Let's go back to the chart and run it. So remember, the purpose of the OCO order is not to miss out from trades, not to miss out from trade. Now we are going to start from the buy order. Let's say, for example, the price is currently 0.4502, and based on my analysis, I agree or come to the conclusion that this price is going to test this position, and I place my order at 0.41. Let's say I place my order at 0.41. Sorry about that. Let's say I place my order at 0.41. Okay, that's here. Place my order at 0.41. So the price is likely going to go from 0.5 to 0.41, 0.5 to 0.41. Okay, that was my analysis. And because of I don't want to miss out, probably my analysis didn't really work out. My analysis didn't really work out. And I say this thing might not really touch 0.41. It might just go ahead and start going up. So I'll just place a stop. I'll place a stop. Remember, the first one, there are two limit orders. We have a limit order, a stop limit. In fact, the difference between the OCO and the limit order is, and the stop limit is just the additional limit order. And that additional limit order is the price you intend to buy, the original price you intend to buy. And that original price is 0.41 because I would love this price to come down to this point for it to trigger my order. But unfortunately, the price can actually go up and it will get to 0.4870, which is this. It might get to 0. This is where we intend to buy, but it might get to 0.4870. And because of that, I don't still want to miss out because I know that if the market will do so well. Okay, the coin is doing so well. So the reason I want to buy at 0.41 is because I want to get more quantity. But even if the market did not reach 0.41 and decide to continue going back up, I now use my stop limit. I use my stop limit, which will be this. Okay. So I use my stop limit, which will be this. Stop limit, which will be this. Then I put that second limit at this point. Now, what it means is that this is 1, 2, 3. What it means is that my original intention is to buy at this level, first level, number 1. But if eventually this price does not come down to trigger my first level, the one my heart desire wants, and it keeps going up and it hits this level, the second level, that's 2. If it hits the second level, trigger for me is a buy order at 3. So you can see how simple it is. I want to buy at 1, but if that price hits 2, it means that it will hit 3 and keep going up. So since I've placed a buy order at 1, but if it hits 2, place me an order at 3, because I know once it hits 2, it will keep going up. Hit 3, take my order and keep going up. Now, like I said, it's for you not to miss out of an opportunity when your analysis is wrong. But if this was a limit order, if this was a stop limit, since this is my initial intention, I might just put a stop limit from here. Once it hits this place, get buy for me at 2. But if it continue going up, you see that I've missed out of the trend. So that's why the OCO order is one sweet and very unique order we need to maximize on the Binance. Unfortunately, not all exchanges have this OCO order. Okay. Now for sale. Now let's give that example. Now I said this is the original price I want to buy, that's the limit. This is the stop that will trigger this limit in case I did a wrong analysis. Okay, so let's go back to the sell. For the sell order, I want to sell at a very high price. Let's say this is where the price is at 0.4514. I know this price is going to hit this point. Okay, it's going to hit this point. That's 0.6561. It's going to hit this point. This is where I want to sell. But because of the volatility of the market, I will now say I want to sell here. But if eventually this thing didn't continue going upwards to hit this my sell order and give me profit, it might go down. And if it goes down, if it crosses this support level, it might go down so seriously that my assets will be reduced. The value of my assets will diminish, and I don't want the value of my asset to diminish. So what I will do is that Since I've placed an order, this is my desired position, that's one. I will place another order. I'll use another, that's the stop, this one, this two. I'll have another one, the three. Okay, so I want to sell at one, but if it doesn't keep going up and this one hit two, sell for me at three, because I know at that point there is nothing stopping the bearish market. Okay, so this is roughly the types of order on the Binance blockchain. Let's do a little recap. We have four orders. We have the limit order, we have the market order, the stop limit order, and the OCO. Okay, these are the four major type of orders across several exchanges. Most exchanges just have the limit order, some just have inclusive the market and the stop limit, but very few exchange have the OCO order. Okay, so that's that for today. If you like this video, if this video was quite educative, give us a thumbs up, give us a like there, um subscribe to our channel and turn on all the notification not to miss out from our updates that comes very very regular. And let us know the coin that have given you the highest portfolio in 2021. Let us know also the coins you are holding. Let us know also the topics you would like us to talk on, and we'll go ahead to make videos for it. Thank you guys. See you guys next time.